Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So we'll be creating replica of this exact object you can see. So like I said earlier, I draw by focusing on shapes. So if you see, yes, some of you might be like, oh, I'll draw from the front, but you have complications because of this knob, right? So I prefer to draw from the side because here I can see a circle, I can see the rectangle, and when I extrude backwards I can always extrude again to cut this center. So drawing it from here is going to be very complicated. Like from here it's going to be complicated, saying oh see circle, draw rectangle, it's going to be complicated because of this knob and all of those. So you have to start from the side. Like I said in other previous drawing, I did plan because I could see a circle and a rectangle, right? Easy peasy. So looking at this one, I have a circle in front of me, a rectangle here, rectangle here. That was why a right angle triangle here. That's why I started from the side. So let's just start by drawing. So I come to sketch. We already agreed that I'm drawing on this side. I pick my rectangle too. So sorry, let me first of all adjust my rectangle to the normal 2-point rectangle. So green dots, I extend upwards. I have my height to be 180 and my thickness to be 25. Enter. Cool. So I come to my circle. So I'm drawing two circle with diameter 30 and diameter 60. I draw it wherever I want to draw it. A circle. I draw it wherever I want to draw it. Diameter 60. The same center line. Diameter 30. Enter. Oh, sorry. Okay. When I come to dimension, so I'm going to from the center of the circle to this back is 70. Enter. Then I was also told from the center to this floor was 45 or is 45. Enter. Yeah, then don't forget what I told you about tangential and center line. So I come with my line here. So I'm being told it came tangential from the center green dot. I need a tangent here, but okay, I got it. And from this point also at a tangent. Oh, I can't find my tangent, but let me just put it in. Oh, I found it. But in case you do not find yours, you click on this tangential constraint, touch your circle and touch the line. But mine is done already, so that's why it's giving me an error message. So you come to trim, you cut out this guy, right click, okay, then we draw a line. Now I'm meant to draw this line. Most of you might think, oh, why am I not just drawing this line year to year? The reason was, if I should draw, do you agree with me that if the line from year to year, by the time I move it here, it is taller in distance? So that's why I just want to draw any line with normal height. Then after I'm done with dimensioning, I'll be trimming off. So now look at the distance from here to here. By the time I adjust to the exact point I want, it's actually going to be different. But I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but let's just do dimension this guy and center. So it's 20. So watch this. 20. So you see, moving forward, the height of this line inside my diagram here has reduced, that shrink. So imagine if I had connected here, I've been having issues. So that's why I had to stretch it outside. Then I come to my trim. I cut off all of the excess path, and here it is. Here I am. Okay, I'm not done. I pick my finish tool, or finish sketch, I mean, sorry. Then I begin to extrude. So this extruding, we'll be using symmetry because we have I'm coming we'll be using symmetry because of this center space, right? Admin will just adjust this guy like a full knob. You don't need symmetry, but because of this center space, we'll be using symmetry because it's equal. But if it wasn't equal in the center, we'll use asymmetry. But the reason why I'm explaining using symmetry is because I need to cut this space. So let's go back to our diagram. So I touch this guy, sorry, symmetry, like I said, symmetry. I touch this guy, and this guy. and the total distance is 85. So 85. Okay, don't click on okay, just click on plus. So now I'm being told that this front knob, remember I have a front knob circle like Bits by Dre logo, and I have this rectangle, but I don't need this guy because it actually pops out, it's sliding downwards also, so I just need only this guy, and I need him to cut through for a specific distance, symmetric distance 55, 55. Yeah, so now can I click on okay? Do I have any other thing I'm doing? Nothing. So done. So the next thing I want to do is come to the top here. Fine. Some of you might be like, oh, there's a circle here. Why you not drawing? You can go ahead and draw the circle, but before I do that, I prefer to do something else first, because by the time I draw the circle first and extrude, whatever I'm drawing here would block that space. So on the norms, some of you will just pick a line, so you draw a line, then you begin to adjust the line. But what I do is I come to this rectangle. Yeah, I need a rectangle I draw from the center, so I trace this guy to this wall. Yeah, this is my green line. Now I know originally, okay, let me draw it out first. So I want to draw a box 45 by 20. So now what I just did, to some of his error, all I need is just this half of the box. But because I'm drawing a full square or rectangle, sorry, from the center, that's why I had to double the thickness. Originally we need 10 by 45. So if I was drawing with my line 2, if I pick my line 2, I was drawing from here, I stretch backward 10, come downwards 45, 10. You feel me? Well, the reason why I did 20 was because I was drawing mine from the center. So if you use your line 2, fine, we are still on track. So I finished my sketch. I want to see diagonal so I can trace what I'm extruding. Sorry, extrude just this guy at the back, and I want him downwards. So I want him for the total height, which is 180. Enter, then finish. Sorry, let me rotate. So now we come to this part. I want to sketch here. Sorry, let me stand it up. I draw a circle or two circles. I need the center. Okay, yeah, this is the center. Like you can see the blue line, it just got me like, oh, I'm in the center. So I draw a circle of diameter 50 and 20. 50, enter. That same center, I come to draw 20. So I know this guy is already in the center, but I need to cover up my distance from this center to the top, in which we are being told is 42. Enter. Good. So you can go ahead by extruding. So first of all, this small circle I want to cut through all. So imagine we had cut now, and we are going back again to draw this rectangle. Like after drawing this circle, we are going back to cut, draw this rectangle. This rectangle is here, it will block the cut through, so we have to come back again to begin to cut through. So that's why I did this first before I'm doing this, so it can just cut all at once. Cut through plus, not okay, plus, then do this guy. We are cutting inwards for the deepness is 10 mm. Sorry, not 19, 10. Oh, sorry, 10 mm. And yep, that's all. Thank you very much again. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.